Hello, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Robux from Eldorado GG. Now, the first thing, you want to go to the website. That's the first thing you need to do. After that, you want to click on Shop Now, okay? So after you click on Shop Now, what you need to do next is you want to search here in the top for Robux, okay? That's all you need to do. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to search for Robux, and as you can see, you want to go. Let me just do this right now, and you just need to click here where it says Roblox, okay? Here, when you click on search, you want to search for Roblox, and then you want to click on Roblox. Now, after that, it will take you to this page, and here you will be able to see different sellers that are selling, and you can also see how much they are selling this for, how much they are selling Robux for. Now, in the top, you will be able to see the cheapest one, probably in the top here. You can also choose if someone else is selling it for cheaper. You can just see here. Now, after you know exactly which seller you want to buy this from, usually, like I said, it's going to be the cheapest one in the top. It will be chosen by the website. Now here you just need to choose here the amount you want to purchase, for example 3,000, and here you will be able to see how much it costs per Robux. Here you can choose the amount. Like I said, you can click on this plus button to choose more if you want. And then after you are done, what you need to do is you want to click here. Now, by the way, you want to read first this. As you can see, this seller says, respected buyers, please read the following terms and conditions before purchase. We are not responsible for 30% tax. Now, this is a very common problem with the very common thing with like any website where you can buy Robux. So as you can see, Robux will wait 5 to 7 days, as you can see, so just keep that in mind. Now, after you are done, click on buy now. Now, after you click on buy now, it will ask you probably to create an account on this website. Now, I'm just going to click on sign in with Google. I'm going to choose this Google account, and I'm going to click on continue. Now, after that, it will take you to this page where you can complete the purchase. Now, here you can either use Google Pay or cryptocurrency or credit card, debit card. Now, by the way, like I said earlier, Roblox game pass transfer takes 5 days to process, and Roblox applies 30% transfer fee, which is not covered by the seller. So just keep that in mind. Now, after you are done, what you need to do, you want to select, like I said, one of these three options. I'm going to go to credit card and then click on continue to payment. And here you just need to enter your own credit card right now. That's what I'm going to do right now. Now, this is my own credit card, and the name on it is this. Now, after that, you want to enter the address and the zip code, city, and then the country. Now, after that, you want to click on pay. So like I said, you will have to enter this address and city and zip code, very important, in order to buy Robux from Eldorado GG. So yeah, that's exactly how you can do this. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. So just let me know in the comments your problem, and I will try to reply to you. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.